What's up, everyone? My name is Alex the Barber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a classic haircut step by step. So let's get it. We're going to start by creating our first guideline with the zero, going all the way around, keeping the haircut low because this is a low fade, and I will leave it darker on the top right here. So I'm just going to go around marking my zero guideline. And if you're just starting out, or barbers that cut hair regularly, always make sure that you have a consistent guideline, because it's going to determine how clean your fade is and how even it is too. So after we mark our zero, I'm going to go with the trimmers, which is the double zero, and bald it out from the bottom right here of the zero. And having a brushing hand is always good, just to be brushing after you cut hair so you can know where to go over again. And remember, you're just removing the bulk, so don't apply too much pressure with the trimmer on the neck because it is sensitive. Now I'm just going to bald the bottom right here with the shavers, and this is the Andis shaver. Really good. I do recommend this clipper. Now we're going to be bringing down the lever to a half and going up on the line that we marked with the zero about half an inch, making sure we make another consistent guideline. So this generation, they call this a medium fade. Back then we used to call it like a low fade. It's a little bit on the high side, I will admit, but my client did ask for the bottom to be a little bit lower, so I guess we could call this a medium fade. I call this a classic haircut just because it's a comb over. So now I'm going to be using the half to bring up the line a little bit, the fade a little bit higher. And we're just going to be fading in the line, and as you guys can see, I do move the lever, bringing it up, trying to fade the line while we're doing the marking the other guideline, just so I don't have to repeat steps and go over the haircut. Now I'm going to slap on the number one guard, bringing it down to a 1.5 and just going up a little bit higher. I am trying to keep the fade as dark as possible just because my client does like the longer hair to comb down right here on the side. So this is going to be my last guard, using the 1.5 guard, turning it into a 2, and this is going to be my last step before I start using the clipper over comb. Now moving on, clipper over comb, I do bring it down to a half, and if you're just starting to cut hair, I would recommend using the 1 guard, just so you don't cut too much to where you would have to bring the haircut a little bit higher or even do a different style. So I would recommend using the 1 at first, and once you get comfortable, using the half. And as you guys can see here, I comb and bring out the comb a little bit as I go, and just go little by little. Take your time on this, just because this will help you give your client the perfect shape and form that the hair best fits them. So just go little by little, take your time, and as you guys can see right here, I'm detailing the haircut little by little with the half, just going over, just so I don't have to keep on going back and detailing it. And so as you guys can see here, I am going against the hair growth pattern, which will help blend it right in the bottom right here. And now all I gotta do is just trim the side hair right here a little bit from the part, just so it could blend in right. And so my client did ask me to trim the top of his hair a little bit, so I consultate with them and ask them and actually show them how much I'm going to be cutting, and if they agree to the amount that they want me to cut, that's where I start, and then just go based off of that. So I mark my first guideline with the hair, and then I just go over it and comb back the hair until everything is all even. And I am a lefty using a right-handed scissor, so comment down below if you guys have any recommendations for left-handed shears or scissors, whatever you want to call them. But I do struggle on that, so if you guys can help me out, comment down below. Moving on to the lineup, I'm going to start by creating my first guideline, marking the first C at the top, and then just going down, basically doing a backward C. Now we're going to be marking the corners, and it's barely touching it up just because my client does come in often, so I literally just have to touch up the lineup. So here you guys have a classic haircut, which is a medium fade. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.